How to turn off Chrome notifications, that's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Chrome browser, and once you do that, you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on Settings. And here from the Basics section, you want to click on Notifications, and once you do that, you will be redirected to the Chrome Notifications Center on your mobile device, from which you will be able to turn off some of the notifications while leaving others on, or you can just turn off all of the notifications like this, which will disable all of them and you will get no notifications from Google Chrome. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable and stop the Google Chrome notifications. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.